This is the Bank 1 Sensor 1 O2 sensor for a 2010 Ford Escape XLT 2.5 liter engine. Had to replace it to cut out all the mystery. Let me show you a video of how to get it done yourself, get it done cheaper, and with the right tools to make it happen. Before you begin this project, remember to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Okay, so what you're looking at is a 4-cylinder Ford Escape. This is the part I ordered, the O2 sensor. I went down the street to my local Advance Auto Parts store, and they were able to call in and receive the replacement for the Bank 1 Sensor 1 O2 sensor. And that made it real easy. I didn't have to wait for any mail order. And it was over $100 cheaper than other places I looked. And it goes right here, right behind, next to the firewall, behind the block. And to make this really easy for you, see these bolts here, 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. Remove those with an 8mm. Take the shroud off. That will clip the wires or not, that's a choice. If it's gone bad, you're not even gonna replace it. Once you remove this shroud, that's going to expose the O2 sensor to easily use a 7/8 inch closed end wrench with a rubber mallet. I was able to work it loose with just 2 or 3 taps, nothing major. But having the right tools makes all the difference in the world. Now, once I replaced it with the new one, I had to go with a 7/8 inch open wrench so that I didn't have to worry about dealing with the wire. And that was all that I needed. The 8mm for the shroud screws, bolts, the 7/8 inch closed wrench to remove it, the 7/8 inch open wrench to tighten it. Once I was able to reinstall the shroud with the 8mm socket, I then plugged it back in right where it goes. Then I reconnected the battery on the negative terminal, and there she goes. It's fast and easy. No need to panic when your O2 sensor throws an engine light if it's the Bank 1 Sensor 1 for a 2010 Ford Escape XLT 2.5 liter engine. That is all. And now, as you can see, no more engine light. Now the tire pressure sensor fault to deal with on my right rear, which is next. Ciao.